Ulmus pumila is the Siberian elm. This is a very fast-growing tree that will grow in a lot of difficult circumstances. It was planted across the Plain States in Oklahoma and other states after the Dust Bowl to form windbreaks. So it will grow in very, very tough, droughty conditions and poor soil. The tree has kind of an open, rounded canopy, not a real dense canopy, very flexible branches, which kind of are almost weeping down at the end. It has a simple, alternate leaf, this sort of elliptical leaf of the elms, about 2 inches in length. It's dark green. You have the central midrib and then the parallel veins with the sawtooth margin that you see with the other elms. It has sort of a little bit of an asymmetrical base. The fall color on this is a pale yellow. The stem on the Siberian elm is kind of slender. The buds are a very good identification feature because most of the elms have sort of a pointed football-shaped bud, but these are very rounded and almost black, and you can sometimes see little white hairs on the leaf scales, so it's a really good identification feature for this elm. The bark is kind of a grayish-brown furrowed bark, and a lot of times it has sort of wet staining on it that's caused by some bacterial wetwood. The flowers, monoecious, just small kind of greenish-white flowers in the spring, and then the round disc-shaped wafer-like samara for the seed. This plant is extremely tolerant of all conditions, but as far as general landscape use, there are probably better trees than this. If you have one, you maybe don't get rid of it, but to actually go out and plant one, you could find a plant that has less problems, like the the wetwood. It also has some witch's broom, some odd growth in the crown. So there are better plants for general landscape use.